Okay, so for today, for your table activity, I want to make sure you're doing this properly. As you look at my screen, let me put this here and here, clean this up a little bit. I can actually keep this up here. So remember to use the vocabulary below when talking. Replace the X or Y with, and then remember you replace it. It's just like the index card. What are you replacing with? When I watch you guys doing these activities and when Miss Alonso does, we want to see the person talking also using their hands. You're at the table, you can point to the table, you can point to what's going on and tell the partner what's going on. Using your hands is going to help a lot too, all right? Now, remember, partners, I don't want the person with the marker just thinking they're cool and solving the whole problem. That is not how this activity is supposed to go. You let your partner tell you what to do, okay? Distribute like terms, letters to the left. You know this is coming into play for sure. The last two problems. And then constants to the right to isolate the variable. All words I want to be hearing, okay? Now, first problem. Are you ready? So I want to have B's. I believe B's are going to, let's see here. B writes, A talks. So B, could you write down the problem? Look at A and say, what do I do? B, go ahead and write down the problem and look at A and say, what do I do? Miss Alonso, feel free to pause it. Okay, at this time, I'm going to go ahead and go over it. See if I have enough room here. Cool. All right, I'm going to go kind of quick when I'm doing these, so I want to make sure you know what's going on. We're going to take this. Oh, that's kind of nasty. Let me see if I fix that. That's kind of gross. All right, let's use a different pen. Let's use the black one. We're going to take this and put it where the y is, right? So I'm going to put negative 3x plus 4, 2x plus 1 equals 24, okay? Then I'm going to distribute 8x plus 4. This should all be written on your table. Then I'm going to combine like terms. Then I'm going to subtract. Divide 5. X equals 4, okay? All that work? If I know what x is, can I take the x and can I plug it back in here, right here? Really, I'm replacing that. So it's going to be y equals 2 times 4 plus 1. Do you guys see what I did there? I'm replacing the x with 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So y equals 9. How would you write it out? 4 comma 9. Awesome. All right, next problem. Now, A, you're going to write it down. B, you're going to talk it out. 3, 2, 1, go. Go ahead and push pause. All right, as I solve this one, we're going to use this one now. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it right here. These are all the ones we did yesterday. We're just reviewing that, okay? So when I rewrite this problem, I'm going to rewrite this problem right here. I'm going to put it right here. 3x plus 2 parentheses equals 22. In the parentheses, we're going to put x plus 1. So now I have 3x plus 2x plus 2 equals 22. Like terms, 5x plus 2 equals 22. Subtract 2. Divide 5. X equals 4. Okay, easy peasy. Super simple, just do it in your head. If you plug in x here, 4 plus 1, that's what you did when you plugged it in. You crossed out x because you know what x is. X is 4, so we plugged it in. 4 plus 1, y equals 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Let's go. All right, you got this. Now, next one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Now let's be careful. What does x equal now? It's not y anymore. It's x, all right? Let's go, guys. Oops. Let's go back there. There we go. All right, for this one, take this, put it where the y is. See, I almost pointed there. Where am I going to put it? Where the x is, because guess what it tells me? It's what x equals. So if anybody made that mistake, make sure you learn it for the next one. 2, and then let me erase that. Try to keep it neat. Always trying to keep my work neat, all right? You're never going to be able to solve these well if you can't read what you're writing. And that's not too neat, but I can still see it. All right, we're going to go ahead and go 4y plus 4 plus 3y equals 25. Like terms, I get 7y plus 4 equals 25. Subtract 4, I get, oops, let's go ahead and just clean that up a little. I get this canceled out. I bring this down. I get 7y equals 21. We know 7 goes into 21 3 times. Beautiful. We know what y is. Let's plug it in our head. Again, right here. 2 times 3, because that's what y is. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. X equals 8. If your partner's struggling on that last step, help them out. All right, or help her out. You guys are always coaching each other. All right, you're always helping each other constantly. That's what you got to do. You got to work together. All right. Next one, let's do another one just like that. Switch roles, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, for this one, make sure this all goes right where the x is. Okay, so you're going to have now 3 times y plus 4 plus y equals 24. Then you're going to jump 3y plus 12 plus y equals 24. 4y plus 12 equals 24. Subtract 12. 4y equals 12. Y equals 3. Okay, plug that back in. 3 plus 4 equals 7. X equals 7. So your answer is going to be 7, comma 3. All right, one more. Last one. Or was that the last one? Oops, did I miss one? Oh, no, never mind. We have 2 more, actually, after this one. Sorry, guys. So try this one out. We're going to make sure I do this properly. We're going to plug this in where the x is. 3 times y plus 4. No, we just did this one, right? My bad. Did we not do this one? Let me pause this out here. All right, I may have screwed up on those. I got kind of confused because they kept glitching on me a little bit. Let's go ahead and do this last 2. These last 2 are important. So make sure A is talking, B is writing. Don't worry if you got mixed up. If you figured it out, great. Okay. A talks, B writes. So let's go ahead and do this. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and no, that's what I did wrong. I was trying to, there it was. Okay, cool. Little glitches. It's all good. We still know what we're doing. All right, this is all going to go right here. Look at your flow map if you need help. 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 10. Letters to the left. Numbers to the right. I get 3x equals 9. X equals 3. Okay? Now x equals 3. You plug it in. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1, 16. All right? Let's do the last one. Switch roles to the last one. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Last one. All right, you're going to plug it in right here. Letters to the left. And there's your final answer. X equals 4, okay? If x equals 4, plug it in. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Isn't that interesting? So we just did that one just like that. I hope I didn't do the same. We'll check it out. Hopefully this all worked out and I didn't do too many errors in this video and you guys are understanding it. Now go ahead and get into your Jeopardy and do the best you can.